Narcissism is a word we throw around a lot, but it's more than self-centeredness. It's entitlement, manipulation, and a striking lack of empathy. It wrecks lives quietly, and knowing how to spot it early can save you years of pain. Being involved with a narcissist is emotional warfare. 1 minute you are adored, and the next minute you are made to feel worthless. You start to doubt your memories, your judgment, even your sanity. And that cycle of highs and lows wears you down. It isolates you. It makes you feel like you are the problem when in fact the problem is the pattern. Over time, anxiety and depression can follow. People lose themselves trying to keep peace with someone who never learned how to care about another person. And that is not your fault. Awareness is not blame, it's survival. Narcissists are masters of manipulation. They weaponize charm, guilt, and self-pity to control you. They treat relationships like transactions. If you are useful, they praise you. If you are not, they discard you. Gaslighting is one of the most dangerous tools. They will deny what happened, minimize your feelings, and make you question reality. You will hear phrases like, "You're too sensitive," or "That never happened." And hear long enough, you start to believe them. Accountability is not their language. Mistakes are always someone else's fault. When people who cause harm refuse to be accountable, that damage compounds. Before we go further, it's important to understand that narcissism isn't a one-size-fits-all. There are many different forms, ranging from covert to vulnerable, grandiose, and malignant. It's also common for narcissism to exist alongside other personality disorders, which makes the behavior even more complex. Not all sociopaths or psychopaths, now referred to as antisocial personality disorder, but all sociopaths and psychopaths are narcissistic by nature. That overlap is where things can become especially dangerous. And we will dive deeper into that in another video, but it's important to know that the spectrum of narcissism runs wider than most people realize. Here is what I want to be crystal clear about. Most of them are not acting out of concealed insecurity. Many of them know exactly what they are doing. They see the hurt they cause. They hear the pain in your voice, and they do not care. This is not ignorance. This is indifference. They are adults. Many of us have been through trauma. Many of us have struggled, but being hurt does not give anyone a pass to hurt others. As adults, we choose how we behave. I have zero sympathy for people who use their past to justify harming someone else. If you have survived hardship and never reached a moment where you had to talk yourself out of hurting another person, you know what I mean. When you accept that their actions are deliberate, everything shifts. You stop looking for reasons to excuse them. You stop hoping they will change. You start protecting yourself. Remember that narcissists crave validation. They lack empathy, and they will manipulate to keep control. They know what they do and often do not care. Awareness is your defense. If you have been through this, share your story in the comments. Your experience can help someone else stop making excuses and start protecting themselves. Hit subscribe for more on emotional health and recovery, and check the video linked next to the tools to rebuild your boundaries and your life.